Shooting the Moon by Frances O'Rourke Dowell. Jamie is 12 3/4, not to be confused with 12, and she thinks she knows a lot, especially when it comes to the Army. She is an Army brat. She's traveled all over. Her father is actually the colonel at the base. She has a brother, TJ, who she absolutely adores. And this is their story about what happens when it's TJ's time to join the Army. This takes place during the Vietnam War, and Jamie thinks that the war is a good thing, that her father's doing lots of good things, and they're fighting the enemy, and it becomes very real to her when her brother decides to enlist. And she can't understand why her father is so angry about him joining the Army, and why they constantly have fights every night at dinner about him going to college instead. And then her brother goes off to war. And she promises that she'll write him, and he promises he'll write her. Instead, there are no letters that are coming, but rolls of film that he's taken. So at the rec center, she befriends a young private who begins to show her how to develop these pictures in the darkroom. And slowly, she begins to realize that war, when it's right in your house, in your family, is not exactly the same war that people talk about on the news or in the newspapers. This is a wonderful coming-of-age story, a story of family, a story of growing up when you realize what the reality of war is. As she begins to develop these pictures, she begins to see what her brother sees and can't wait until he comes home to hear about his experiences.